Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the latest gadgets and gizmos that can make your life easier, faster, and more fun. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence, the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini. This tiny powerhouse is packed with impressive specs that will blow your mind, and I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms, so everyone can understand its awesomeness. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about AI performance. You might have heard of AI models like generative AI or large language models, LLMs. Well, this device is capable of running these behemoths locally, thanks to its NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture. But what does that mean for you? It means you can train and deploy your own AI models without relying on cloud infrastructure, which not only saves you money but also ensures better speed, privacy, and cost efficiency. Now, let's talk about the CPU, or the brain of this operation. The msi EdgeXpert boasts a 20-core design with high performance and efficiency cores, which enable smooth multitasking, faster data processing, and optimized power usage for demanding AI applications. Think of it like having multiple supercomputers working together in harmony. But what really gets me excited is the memory. We're talking about a whopping 128 gigabytes of unified memory, powered by LPDDR5X high-bandwidth memory that can handle large datasets and AI models without bottlenecks. Imagine being able to train your own AI model on a dataset of millions of images or text samples without having to worry about running out of storage space. And then there's the storage. Oh boy, is this fast. We're talking about ultra-fast 4 TB Gen5 SSD storage that can load files and data at lightning speed. I mean, you can have multiple projects open at the same time, switch between them in an instant, and still have plenty of space left over for your files. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This device is equipped with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 4 Type-C, and high-speed networking options like ConnectX-7, which enables low-latency and high-bandwidth environments. Think of it like having a super-fast internet connection that won't drop or lag, perfect for remote work, online collaboration, or simply staying connected with loved ones. But here's the thing, msi EdgeXpert is not just about specs, it's also about use cases. It comes pre-installed with NVIDIA DGX OS, Ubuntu Linux-based, which is optimized for machine learning, AI model training, and edge deployment. This means you can dive straight into developing your own AI models or deploy existing ones without needing to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't this device just a miniaturized version of something bigger? And to that, I say, yes. msi EdgeXpert is indeed compact and designed for edge deployments, research labs, and enterprise environments where space and performance matter. It's like having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand. So, what does it all mean? Well, my friends, this device can help you unleash your inner AI enthusiast, whether you're a researcher, developer, or simply someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. With msi EdgeXpert AI Mini, you'll have the power to train and deploy large AI models locally, freeing up cloud infrastructure and saving resources. And the best part? It's available for an unbeatable price. So, if you're ready to join the AI revolution, click that link below to check out the msi EdgeXpert AI Mini and get started on your AI adventure today. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I'm super excited to hear about your experiences with this amazing device.